Okay, here we go. 5 seconds away. Fingers crossed that I totally don't muff this. Triple X80s. Hey there, I am Jammin' Jeff Scott, and I know you have things to say. So tell me all about it over at triplex80s.com.
Hey there, this is Tina.
Hey, Tina.
I'd love to dedicate something to my ex, Eric.
Okay.
Nothing too serious, just something that says, thanks for the emotional damage.
Oh, ouch. Nothing creates more engagement like a good listener phone call or phoner. That was a listener call that you just heard. Or was it? You see, I don't have a phone line at my internet station. And that caller, doesn't exist. Totally fake. It was generated, script, voice, phone effect, and all of it using Phoner Factory. This brand new app right here. Phoner Factory lets you create fake listener calls that sound totally real. You just choose a fun script category, then you pick a phone filter, select a voice, and boom, you've got an instant call ready for your show. No request lines, no audio editing, and no waiting around for a human to participate. Extreme 80s fun on Triple X80s. Hey there, I am Jammin' Jeff Scott.
Hey Jeff, that new haircut looks like your stylist lost a fight with a weed whacker.
What? That would explain why I'm dancing with myself again. I built this for radio people like us, solo dudes or dudettes, rockin' mics on internet stations or even FMs. The ones who actually care about sounding pro, sounding fun, and just sounding alive. Because here's the deal, listener calls completely change how a station feels. They add energy, surprise, and personality. And for internet radio, that is unexpected gold because it is the last thing that your listeners expect.
Hey, I just had to call because that last song took me right back to 1985, swaying at prom in my powder blue tux. You guys are literally my time machine to the best night ever.
Let's dive in and I'll show you how it works. There are 10 built-in script categories and each one generates a short, punchy call that sounds like it actually came straight from the request line. And we'll start off with the classic requests and dedications. The call that you heard at the beginning of this video was actually born from just a couple of clicks right here. You enter some basic information, click, script appears, we look it over, definitely dig it. Now we're gonna pick a phone effect. And there's 6 to choose from, so your calls are always going to sound different. Personally, I love this aggressive phone effect. It just really pops. Okay, now we have to pick a voice. And Phoner Factory connects to 11 Labs and Gemini, which means you could have a stable of 30 to 40 voices to choose from, which is awesome for variety. And for the voice, I'm popping over to Gemini because I just think their voices are pretty authentic and expressive right out of the box. Okay, that's locked in. Now we send the script to our AI caller in the cloud, and they jump on the line to get it done.
Hey there, this is Tina. I'd love to dedicate something to my ex, Eric.
And just like that, it sounds like somebody actually called in. Triple X80s, I would love to hear what's going on with you. You tell me at triplex80s.com.
Is this a radio show or an ASMR podcast?
What?
Inject some life. My speakers are snoozing louder than you.
On second thought, maybe I don't want to hear what's going on. Commodores. I cannot wait for you to hear some of the other fun script categories, but if this already has your creative wheels cranking, well, I'd love for you to grab the free 7-day trial. You could generate up to 10 listener calls and no credit card, no nonsense, no strings. You just connect your AI accounts and then your virtual phone lines will be ringing off the virtual hook. The link's right down here in the description, but don't hang up just yet because one of my favorite categories is quick zingers. These are short, roast style lines that just dunk on the DJ. I mean, I used to drop these all the time when I was rocking the FM mic because nothing makes you more accessible and relatable than a little self-deprecating humor. Now in Phoner Factory, you could choose a subject for the zinger or just let the bot surprise you. And let's see what we get. And of course, you can always edit these scripts and fine-tune them to match your style, which I totally recommend. Now, we pick a phone effect, we select just the right voice, which you can actually preview here in the app, and then send it off to the magic phoner factory in the sky. And boom, instant caller.
Hey Jeff, that new haircut looks like your stylist lost a fight with a weed whacker.
Let's actually listen to a couple of these.
Hey DJ Dynamite, did your playlist catch fire? Or just explode with bad choices today? The fact you're on the radio proves that talent should never stand in the way of a dream. Oh, Jeff, I've heard sweeter sounds from my blender.
Nothing spices up your voice tracks or show like a fun zinger, and they're so easy to crank out. Let me show you something that takes Phoner Factory to the next level. If you use Gemini voices, well, you're not just limited to their stock voices. You hop over to the settings and right down here in Gemini style prompt, boom, speak in a fun southern accent from Texas.
Oh, bless his heart. He thinks he's a fancy radio DJ.
I love that. Okay, let's try another category. Conspiracy theories. These are a trip. We're first going to enter a theme. Now we select a desired running time for the call and pick the appropriate creative flavor. This is such an awesome feature. You have 4 to choose from, which means incredible script variety. And this is from the creative flavor. If you don't like it, well, let's switch to something more believable, but still funny. And boom, we're digging this. We're going to attach a phone effect. We'll get our voice and then get ready to air this sucker. Triple X80s. Oh my goodness. Breaking news coming in now from Winston.
Listen, I've been studying NASA footage for years. The moon's surface is actually painted foam rubber. That's why astronauts bounce so much. They're on a movie set in Arizona.
Makes complete sense. Nobody sees these bits coming. They're weird little left turns that make your show sticky. Keeps your listeners coming back. Okay, let's keep this nutty train rolling. And along a similar vibe, ridiculous callers. You know, listeners just zone out when they hear another boring shout out. What these are incredible pattern interrupts. And since you're getting the hang of this, let's just play a couple of these ridiculous phoners.
Hey, every time I sing Sweet Caroline in the shower, my bathroom literally rains Skittles from the shower head. It's getting expensive replacing all these candy clog pipes.
Hey, I ordered a pizza last night, and the delivery person was a trained penguin in a bow tie who insisted on juggling my breadsticks while sliding down my front steps on his belly.
Now, don't think Phoner Factory just hablas inglés. No. If 11 Labs or Gemini could speak it, well, Phoner Factory could make it in that language. Let's say we wanted German, right? Boom. And right here in my library, this is dedicated to all my German viewers.
Schmeiß ne Münze ein, spiel nen 80er-Hit und lass uns heute abtauchen. Vielleicht können wir beim Tanzstil auch was von deinen Moderationen lernen.
And hopefully you're doubled over in laughter after that one. And look at this, we've got a Spanish zinger.
¿Puedo pedir una canción? ¿O tu lista soporífera tiene contrato exclusivo? Mi radio quiere rock, no margaritas para dormir. Revive, por favor.
I know we didn't have time for all the script categories, but there's also relationship drama, paranormal encounters, work stories, and even station love. These are calls that shower your station with praise, and they're great for promos or production elements too. And if none of these fit your vibe, well, you've got the custom script category where you write your own or you build a reoccurring character. And listeners, they have no idea it's not real. All they know, suddenly your station feels more alive, like people are listening, like something's happening, and it's the last thing they expect. But this is also an opportunity to drive real listeners to your website to record real messages with a free service like SpeakPipe. Because nothing motivates a listener to call in like hearing people just like themselves on the air. You're going to go from background noise to broadcast energy. And that's the trick. That's the magic. And now it's never been easier to create. So if you really want to level up your station with zero effort, well, Phoner Factory is ready to make your call. I invite you to start your free 7-day trial. You can make 10 fake listener calls that sound way too real. And very exciting, it's available for both Windows and Mac. Because come on, at the end of the day, we all want our stations or shows to sound bigger than they really are. And Phoner Factory helps you make that happen. Please give this a try. I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you so much. I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those phoners all over the world.